बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप देख रहे हैं लुकमान एक ईमान। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट लुकमान। आज हम पढ़ने लगे हैं व्हाट इज़ नेटवर्क टिपोलॉजी। Topology defines the structure of the network of how all the components are interconnected to each other. There are two types of topology: physical and logical topology. Types of topology. Physical topology is the geometrical representation of all the nodes in a network. There are 6 types of network topology, which are bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, star topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. Types of network topology. Bus. The bus topology is designed to such a way that all the stations are connected through a single cable known as backbone cable. Each node is either connected to the backbone cable by drop cable or directly connected to the backbone cable. When a node wants to send a message over the network, it puts a message over the network. All the stations available in the network will receive the message whether it has been addressed or not. The bus topology is mainly used in 802.3 Ethernet and 802.4 standard networks. The configuration of a bus topology is quite simpler as compared to other topologies. The backbone cable is considered as a single LAN through which the message is broadcast to all the stations. The most common access method of the bus topology is CSMA, carrier sense multiple access. CSMA, it is a media access control used to control the data flow so that data integrity is maintained. The packets do not get lost. There are two alternative ways of handling the problems that occur when two nodes send the message simultaneously. CSMA-CD CSMA-CD collision detection is an access method used to detect the collision. Once the collision is detected, the sender will stop transmitting the data. Therefore, it works on recovery after the collision. CSMACA is the access method used to avoid the collision by checking whether the transmission media is busy or not. If busy, then the sender waits until the media becomes idle. This technique effectively reduces the possibility of the collision. It does not work on recovery after the collision. Advantages of bus topology: low cost cable. In bus topology, nodes are directly connected to the cable without passing through a hub. Therefore, the initial cost of installation is low. Moderate data speed. Coaxial or twisted pair cables are mainly used in bus-based networks that support up to 10 Mbps. Familiar technology. Bus topology is a familiar technology as the installation and troubleshooting techniques are well known and hardware components are easily available. Limited failure. The failure in one node which will not have any effect on other nodes. Disadvantage of bus topology. Extensive cabling. A bus topology is quite simpler, but still it requires a lot of cabling. Difficult troubleshooting. It requires specialized test equipment to determine the cable faults. If any occur in the cable, then it will disrupt the communication for all the nodes. Single interference. If two nodes send the message simultaneously, then the single signals of both the nodes collide with each other. Reconfiguration difficult. Adding new device to the network would slow down the network. Alienation is the last of single leads. Communication issues. Repeaters are used to regenerate the signal. Ring topology. रिंग टिपोलॉजी हम इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे। अभी तक आप ये बस टिपोलॉजी को रिवाइज़ करें। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम रिंग टिपोलॉजी को पढ़ेंगे। बहुत शुक्रिया। जल्दी से लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर दें ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो की अपडेट आपको मिल सके। अल्लाह हाफिज़।